Yeah, bonjour tout le monde, comment vous allez? So today let us learn the verb être means to be. Yeah, so the conjugation so we have je suis, then we have tu es, we have il est, and we have elle est. Then we have nous sommes. Then we have vous êtes. Then we have ils ont and elles ont. So what is the meaning of je suis? Je suis means I am. To être means you are. Then il est means he is. Then elle est means she is. Then nous sommes means we are. Then vous êtes means you are. Then ils ont means they are. Then elles ont. Then elles ont means they are. So look at the examples. Examples. You can say je suis étudiant. That means I am a student. You can also say je suis à la maison. That means I am at home. You can also say je suis au travail. It means I am at work. Please follow for more videos. Au revoir.